मैं दीपिका का दीवाना हूँ, ट्रिपल एक्स का कोई दीवाना नहीं हूँ। मैं दीपिका को विश करने आया हूँ। एक्शन फिल्में और मैं तो जाती ही नहीं, लेकिन दीपिका को लाइव साइज होर्डिंग्स में मैं देख के आया हूँ इन न्यूयॉर्क। बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग थी और प्रोमो बहुत एक्साइटिंग लग रहा है फिल्म का। एक्शन बहुत ही, मैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल का कहने वाला था, लेकिन इंटरनेशनल फिल्म ही है ये। तो दीपिका को देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई है और बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड आई रियली गोइंग टू सी द फिल्म ऑन द वीकेंड।
साथ में ओके जानू भी आ रही है, दोनों फिल्में आ रही हैं, एक तरफ हिंदी एक तरफ इंग्लिश।
तो बिल्कुल सब फ्राइडेज ओके जानू देखें और शाम को ये जाके देख लें, या वाइसा वर्सा जो भी हो। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड।
क्या हुआ, दीपिका का भी गला खराब है?
हाँ, मेरा भी गला खराब है। चलो, दोनों का गला खराब है। I think we should be very proud that they're doing some tremendous work out of the country. Both Priyanka and Deepika have achieved so much already. I think it's fantastic. We should celebrate that our talent is walking the talk across the country and the world. And it's great. I don't know about global domination or anything to do with that. All I can say is that I'm very proud our actors are all over the world.
Your book is also being hugely celebrated right now, Farana, and it's going to be out very soon. How excited or nervous are you about that?
Well, I suggest we launch it on the 16th, and once it's out, I hope everyone reads it and experiences what I have.
Okay, right here. Okay. Hey, feeling in India?
I'm feeling great. This is like being at a rock concert. It's not like a movie premiere, so this feels pretty damn good.
How much you excited for the release in India?
Oh, I'm so excited for the release. It's so nice to know that tomorrow night people can actually go out and see the movie. Usually the premieres are not this close to when you can actually go see the movie, so it has an extra sense of excitement.
You want to say something in Hindi?
Nice is as excited everybody is. There's a real kind of endearing love and like a real sort of chemistry. Like people really care. They get super excited, but at the same time, there's a real sort of reverence they have towards Deepika and Vin. So it's very nice. Well, I didn't. I mean, I kind of knew, but now I really know. And as the course of the movie went across, and I became friends with a lot of her fans, it was exciting for me because I felt like I wanted to do her right, and I wanted to do justice for her. And so it was really important for me to connect with her fans and understand how popular she really is.
Okay, guys.
How did you find Lisa dancing to Hindi songs?
I found her dancing very great. I think she's very athletic. I think she's incredibly sexy and beautiful. And we talked about putting some dancing into the next Triple X, so we're going to try to do that if we get a chance. Is that the long? Yeah. Oh yes, of course I've seen it. Very good. Very impressive. Thank you.
DJ, one picture, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
DJ just walked the red carpet and we asked him whether he had an idea about how big a star you are here. But now that Vin and DJ have come here, what has been overwhelmed by the reception?
We went to Mexico last week, and they were so excited about Mexico, and all of us were excited about Mexico. And I had an amazing time. I'd never been there before. The fans were amazing. But I had a little thought in my head, and I was like, I know we can do better than this. And so I feel so happy that, and all of you have been so amazing. The fans have been amazing. I think we surpassed, it's not that they didn't expect it, they did expect it. But I think we've surpassed even that. And just the way, I think everyone's put their best foot forward to welcome our guests. The warm welcome in India, in Mumbai when we landed. The girls, the dhols were being played, and the girls gave us this traditional warm welcome. And I could see that they literally had a goosebump moment. And they've been on their phones the whole day because their families are calling them, and you know, they're so excited that they saw them in Indian clothes, and so don't tell them I told you this, but yeah.
Make them dance, not just the or tune, but even Bollywood tune, to Lungi dance as well. So then how did you plan it?
I think they were in shock. Vin was like, "What is this piece of fabric?" I was like, I think we're not explained to him what it was. Maybe tonight at dinner or something I'll explain to him what it is. But he's been so sporting and he's so much fun. And so I hope now that everything I used to say about him, I think it kind of adds up. I used to say that he's really warm and an amazing person, and I'm sure all of you can see that now.
आपके वो आप होस्ट कर रही हैं दिन को मुंबई में, किन किन जगहों पे और क्या क्या चीजें उनको खिलाने के लिए आप तैयार हैं?
अरे,
कितने लोग होते हैं?
well, unfortunately, it's not that type of trip this year. Yes, I'm hosting him, but I'm hosting him because he's come to our home. He is in India, and the same way all of us are hosting him. But this time it's not that type of visit where I can take him out. It's really, I think this time our focus is really our fans and the media, and just to share this experience with everyone because it's been such an incredible experience. I don't even think we have much time to do anything else other than just the premiere, and I think even tonight after this we just have a very small gathering and just a get together of I think the team, the very close team, just because a lot of them have worked on the film but never really met us. So just to sit down and have an intimate, quiet moment with everyone, and that's about it. And then I think tomorrow we have some interviews.
Deepika, belated happy birthday to you.
Your voice is also gone. Oh. Yes. Thank you. Chin on my. Look at this amazing person, my most favorite person. Thank you.